do that.
Just take the ring, put in the finger, then you swear something. I'm gonna be loyal to you forever and ever, amen, until the day I die. Until the day I die.
Should I say my name?
I, Ignacio.
Ano yung sasabihin ko?
Does your mom know this?
No.
Promise to love you
Forever and ever.
forever and ever and ever and ever.
Amen. Until the day I die. Okay.
Go, bro, play.
Ako nga.
Ay.
Until the day I die.
Bakit that?
I fill
Okay.
my heart for you.
Nacho.
Yeah.
Do you take Ronnie Robles to be your lawful wedding wife? To love and to walk, to good times and bad?
I do.
I do.
Okay. Ronnie Robles, do you take Ignacio Herrera to be your lawful wedding husband?
Do I?
To love
Do I have to?
to good times and bad?
I do.
Best man kita, di ba?
Okay.
I'm the best.
Putang ina nyo! Sinisira yung moment eh. This is the scene.
Sinisira yung moment.
It's almost done. Now we just have to do the scene.
I hereby
okay?
pronounce.
Okay.
Kapag Ignacio,
By the
you
power of
you did
I
ask her.
No.
You did. I do. Okay. By the power vested in me, but I don't really have power. You know. Right.
Vested
I
in
now
you by
pronounce
Ignacio Herrera.
by Ignacio Herrera.
Yeah.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Okay. You may kiss the bride. Where's the kiss?
Kiss na
Where's
again?
the kiss?
Fine.
There should be lips. Pagod na yung kamay ko eh.